we thank you for joining us here today for what will no doubt be a great, great celebration.
We have been talking about the Valley with our most loyal fans and our alumni as well, the most successful alumni from the athletic program. We are joining the second oldest conference in the country, a nationally recognized and very competitive conference.
And we're looking at this and we're like, this is great. You know, this is a fantastic place. And you being in this audience, you've experienced this already. You already know what UIC is. And we look forward to seeing all of you in the very near future at Arch Madness and Hoops in the Heartland in St. Louis and Moline, Illinois, and wish you the best of success as you finish up your spring season.
Our current student athletes, our former student athletes, our letter winners. It's really your hard work, your achievement. UIC's move to the Valley will be the spark that ignites the flames to fulfill our full potential.